Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Instacart account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Instacart account, firstly open your Instacart application. The official page of Instacart application will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Instacart account and then tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now, select the square boxes to verify that you are not a robot. The home page of Instacart application will appear on the screen. This is how you can log into your Instacart account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.